In this video, I'll guide you through how to set reminders and tasks with Google Tasks on your desktop using Gmail and Google Calendar. We'll keep things simple and practical so you can start using tasks right away to stay organized. First, let's talk about where Google Tasks actually lives. You don't need to go to a separate website or install anything extra. Google Tasks is built right into the sidebar of most Google Workspace apps, including Gmail and Calendar. On desktop, look to the right-hand side of your screen and you'll see a vertical sidebar with several icons. The one you're looking for is a small blue circle with a white check mark inside it. That's the Google Tasks icon. Go ahead and click that blue check mark icon. When you do, a panel will slide open from the right. This is your tasks list. If it's your first time using it, it may be empty, and that's completely fine. At the top of this panel, you should see an option that says Add a Task. Click on that to create your first task. Now type in a clear, simple title for your task. For example, you might type Prepare Meeting Notes or Pay Electricity Bill. Keeping your task titles specific makes it easier to know exactly what needs to be done when you look at your list later. Once you've entered the title, you can add a date and time so it becomes a reminder, not just a note. To do that, look for the small calendar icon within the task entry. Click on the calendar icon and a date picker will appear. Choose the day you want to be reminded and then select a time if you need a specific reminder. Setting a time is helpful for tasks that are time sensitive like calls or appointments. When you're done, your task will now have a scheduled reminder linked to it, and it will also show up on your Google Calendar. Next, let's look at a really handy shortcut, creating a task directly from an email inside Gmail. This is great for those "I need to reply to this later" messages. In your inbox, find the email you want to turn into a task. With the task sidebar open, simply click and drag that email over into the tasks panel on the right. When you drop it there, Google automatically creates a new task with the email's subject as the title, and it includes a direct link back to the original email. This is perfect for reminders like reply to client email or review attached document, because you don't have to search for the message later. You can then click into that new task, adjust the title if you want, and again, use the calendar icon to add a date and time. Finally, you can also create tasks straight from Google Calendar itself. With Calendar open, look at your schedule and find any empty time slot where you want to place a reminder. Click on that empty spot. A small window will pop up asking what you want to create. Instead of an event, choose Task, then type in your task name and confirm the date and time. Once you save it, that task appears on your calendar and also in your tasks sidebar, so everything stays in sync. By using the sidebar in Gmail and Calendar, dragging emails into tasks, and adding tasks directly from calendar time slots, you can turn your everyday messages and plans into clear, scheduled reminders with Google Tasks.